Oh, oh, what the heck is going on inside my data warehouse? Like, performance is great. Now it fell through the floor. Who's doing something there? Well, stop being blind to who's running queries in your warehouse and check out this amazing feature where you can check in on the activity running in your warehouse so that you can find like who your problem children are running crazy freaking queries up against your warehouse, like with a notebook with cross query functionality. Wow, that stuff's nuts, nuts. All right. Did you do the YouTube thing yet? Like, you should get on it. Do the YouTube thing. Like, subscribe, all that stuff, right? It just helps grow the channel, all that good stuff, right? So here we are. We're in our warehouse. We've been running queries. We got all these different things that we've been doing. You've been joining with us on the video. Uh, you hung out with us. You saw us with when we went in and we created the warehouse. We created the lake house. We even created a notebook that allowed us to go in and query cross warehouse and lake house, right? We did all this stuff, and you're wondering like, hey, dude, what is dragging my performance down? Like, everything was super fast, right? Like, what happened? Well, there, right next to templates, we've got this awesome thing called query activity that allows you to just kind of go in and check it out, right? When I go into my query activity, I'm going to see my queries. I'm going to see I'm going to see everything that ran. And as you can see, like, holy cow, I got like, look at my durations on stuff. So, like everything you could actually see in here, like, you could actually see like, okay, hey, what's the ID? What was the text of what was run? When was it run? You could go through and you could actually see everything. Like, and if you click on it, you can actually go in and see what items were what was the actual SQL statement that was created. You can easily copy it into a clipboard to find out what the heck is going on or why that was not performant. Or what about this one? Okay, so this one I had like a 4-second runtime on. Not bad, but look at that. This was where I was doing a query between my data warehouse, two tables in my data warehouse, joining to my internet sales. And I was returning everything on it, right? Like, holy cow. No wonder it took 4 seconds to run, right? Where everything else was 1 or 0 seconds, right? But easy. Oh my gosh. Edit as a copy. Look at that button. You click on edit as a copy. Let's go back. How do I go back? Holy cow. Like, it just puts that query right into a query so you can go in and edit this stuff out and test it. Holy crap on a cracker. That is just awesome. But allows you to like sort. You can even filter like, okay, hey, show me all the failed ones. Show me what's running right now. Show me what succeeded or what was canceled. I mean, oh man, this is fantastic. Okay. And look at this. You get you get all sorts of like different metrics to like filter on the last 24 hours. Oops. Last 7 days, last 30 days, all that stuff. And you can see who's running it too. Like, this is awesome. They've also got filtering in place that allows us to like look at long running queries here. You can see like, ooh, look at these things, 4 extra seconds. So this is my initial load of the table. Then insert into. I got 2 insert intos. I got that inner join cross warehouse. Wow. Okay. And then anything that's frequently run, you can actually see it in here. Oh, look at this, dude. This is awesome. So it's actually counting how many times these queries have been run, successful, count of failures, count of cancellations. Man, what? This is fantastic. The only thing I don't see an ability to do, look at that. There's a cancel button. I bet if I was running a query that was like really bogging things down, I could click on that cancel button. Honestly, I just don't know because everything runs so fast and everything that I'm doing. So, if you have poor performing queries and you're hitting cancel and that cancels it, you let me know in the comments down below. We'd love to hear if that's the thing, right? But like, look how easy it is when you're in a warehouse to look at the activities that's going on and troubleshoot and improve performance. Like, just just a brilliant, brilliant thing. Just super exciting. Look at me talking through my like intros and singers. Silly, silly me. All right. Hopefully you found this useful. I'm blown away by these capabilities. It's awesome. I really love it. Baker Tilly Digital combines strategic industry insight and advanced technical expertise to uncover and solve your digital transformation challenges. If you're interested in learning more, check out our website at bakertilly.com/digital.